we doing? Are we live? Why can't I see it? There we go. How we doing today? What is it? 10:50? 10:50 on a beautiful Friday afternoon. What's trending? The Trump train is trending. Floki, this idiot. Elon Musk. Where is it at? I'm sure it's in here. Yeah, Elon Musk tweeting about Shiba Inu token again, which is a total joke. He is, I hope he gets, some bad karma for what he's doing, pumping up absolute garbage. Shiba Inu token up 6%. The fact that this coin even exists is all thanks to Musk, because he's pumping Doge, and now we have this Doge bubble, I guess, going on. Man, what a return. What a return those guys made. Dogecoin, where you at? Hopefully you're outside the top 10. You're not. Number 6, 25 cents. It's a joke. It's ridiculous. $33 billion market cap. Whatever. Chainlink, 1785. This is what I want to talk about again. We're at the point now that Sergey is openly talking about working with Swift. I mean, this is where are we at? How do I even link to this? Where is... How do you link? My channel. Talking. We're we're at the point now. Sergey is openly talking with Swift. He's talking about working with Swift. He hasn't come out and said anything. 14 hours ago, banks, fintechs, and Web 2.0 tech firms can securely and efficiently interface with DeFi and all smart contracts across all chains by making their existing systems chain-linked, providing one interface while utilizing current standards like Swift messages. I mean, he's not saying that people are using Chainlink to send Swift messages, but he's saying it is entirely possible. And do we have any? It is entirely possible that that's going to happen, and banks and fintechs can build on top of it. To me, it's as close as saying we're working. Swift is using Chainlink without actually saying it. Of course, that's speculation and might not happen, but I think it's going to happen. I do. Almond farmers are ripping out trees. I'm so tired of this crap. I don't care. Go away. So yeah, Sergey's talking about working with Swift, which is insane. As far as I know, the logo is still on the website, which some people pay attention to. Who tweeted this out? Chainlink God. I mean, come on. It doesn't get any more bullish. It really doesn't. Let's see what's going on, Materia. DM me. Yeah, we can discuss. I've joined the Materia decentralized exchange as a community manager. So I am working officially with Dex Materia, and I will probably tweet out a few things about that in the coming weeks. But for now, just having a little chat, see what's going on. One thing you guys should be doing is create an account on CoinGecko and collect your candies. Okay? I got 10 candies, and I will continue to collect mine. Why? Because there's a chance that CoinGecko would tokenize in the future. I don't know what their token will be used for, but sometimes you see them doing these things where they can hand out, it's like an NFT almost, but what they're doing is they're keeping track of people using the platform, so down the line, if they do decide to tokenize it, we can say, hey, if you have this many candies, you're going to get this many CoinGecko tokens. Trying to okay, keep my balances hidden here, but Zapper as well, you guys should be doing these quests. Zapper is a huge platform. A lot of people use Zapper, and they are doing these quests every day where you come on, open Zapper, and you exchange using Zapper, and they give you rewards. Again, they don't have a token, but they could in the future, and a Zapper token could potentially do really, really well. It is that's one that I would keep out for. I got the little Zapper pill, John. I'm hoping to get this one by tomorrow, whatever that is. All of this stuff is probably useless, but again, you never know. If they do tokenize, then you could end up making a lot of money on that crap. I bought an NFT. This John Alma. I like it. I like these Valkyrie things, and this one was selling decently well, so I bought it for 0.1 Ethereum, I think, a couple $100, which is probably overpriced, but hey, I like it, and you never know, maybe these things in the future could go up in value. I do want to buy, how do we see? I want to buy all of them. I honestly want one of each. How come I can't see what she's got listed? I don't want to see what's in your wallet. I like this one too. Sushi swap. Sushi swap. The sushi one's cool, but sushi kind of sucks. So I don't know why sushi is not. Sushi swap. Trading that well. The price. Wow, someone got one for 0.3. Oh. Why is that so low? Price 0.09. Oh, okay. Prices are trending down. I think we're in a crab market, to be totally honest, and I think that's the best thing for us if we can maintain the crab. I don't want to go down anymore, and I don't think we currently have the momentum to turn it around. So I'm hoping we just kind of keep going sideways between 30 and 40,000. We did touch below 30,000 for a couple hours. But I think Alameda or somebody came in and put in like a huge buy wall trying to backstop it. Maybe they thought that was the bottom. I don't really know. But I'll be honest, the chart doesn't look good. It don't look good. All-time history index. If you look at the monthly, it might actually be the weekly. It's pretty much a textbook Head and Shoulders. Now this is, you could probably, I don't see why you couldn't classify that as a head for a Head and Shoulders pattern. And if you do find a Head and Shoulders pattern, what you're looking at is, so you've got this kind of like resistance / support line here. It finally broke through, pushed up a little bit, came back down, and tested this resistance line again. And then it came up, and we were doing great, but eventually comes right back down to support. What you're seeing is kind of like buyer exhaustion, and it can't. It can't. The buyers are just not. They're just not there. We don't have the support to hold above 60, so we came back down, and now we're back again at this support / resistance line, which you can see we wicked under, and we're riding this hard. Probably going to come down. If we do, I would expect it to be here around 20,000. We never retested 20,000, by the way, after, we right here, 2018, $20,000 was the high, and then we finally broke it again December of 2020, and we never really retested it. You would have thought maybe we came up to 30, retested here, and then saw what happened, but we didn't. So that might be in the books. That might be what's going to happen. Head and Shoulders, though, is not a good thing to see. That is bearish. Broke through resistance / support, went up, and you just completely exhaust yourself out, and now you're back down here testing it again. And the more times you test this line, this support line, the weaker it gets, and eventually you're going to crash through. We can look at the monthly, and you've seen, now obviously monthly chart is a little hard to chart, but obviously lower highs. We wick down, now we're down. It's the monthly chart ain't looking good either. Let's just put it that way. It feels to me like 2018 all over again. It pops so fast that nobody has an opportunity to get out. And then you're kind of caught, with your pants down, like, holy shit, we're down 60% in 3 days. And then it's like, all right, well, what do I do now? And then you bounce back a little bit. You're like, all right, maybe we can hold it. And then you drop another 40%. It's like, fuck. This is exactly what happened in 2018. It was, it happened so fast. End of November, $8,000 Bitcoin. December 11th, $20,000 Bitcoin. December 18th, back to 10,000. And then you're really, and when that happens, it happens at that speed. You're so like a deer in the headlights, unfortunately. And then by end of January, you're back to 6,000. And everyone's thinking, all right, we're going to hold here. We're going to hold here. And then we're crabbing, we're going down. It actually broke out of this little channel here, went up, another one, broke up, and then nuked. The following year, the following November, doom, all the way down to 3,300. And that was when it was like, all right, we're really screwed here. All the way down. And then I guess you did have a mild, I don't even remember this bull market. I really don't. Beginning January, 3,500, all the way up to 14,000. I don't remember that. It wasn't a great time, to be in the markets. Um, no one was even close to all-time high, except Chainlink actually was doing well by that point. And then finally, holding our own, and then the nuke for COVID nuke, which is crazy. It's crazy how fast that went. That was over a year ago, the COVID nuke. And that was actually the bottom. That was when the next bull run started. Now, I guess it matters where you mark the start of the bull run. If you're starting the bull run here at the COVID crash, then you had a full bull market. There should be no surprises. 4,700 all the way up to 64,000. Can't complain about that. But, I might have made the mistake of marking it from the previous bull market all-time high, which was 20,000. We only went over 200% of that. So maybe that's the lesson. Mark the bull run from the absolute bottom, not from the start of the previous all-time high, which is what I was doing. Suki. Let's go look at mine again. Excuse me. I got these crypto trunks. I wish I did not spend as much money on those dumb things as I did. 0.0027. $5. You could actually just buy Zapper NFTs, and maybe these NFTs will be redeemable for Zapper coins. This is not a bad idea. $15. What? I might buy that. Should I buy this right now? You can't buy it. I'll make an offer. Why not? This might actually be a decent move, buying these. I mean, look at this. Take the Zapper pill. I don't want that one. But buy now, $7. Check out these Zapper NFTs. Check out the CoinGecko candies. They might tokenize in the future, and if they do, you're going to be rolling in it. Well, not rolling in it, but you might do all right if you have some of these NFTs, because it shows that you use their platform, and that's obviously who they're going to want to give their token to, people that they know use the platform, and this is how you prove it. You have these NFTs. That's it for the day. Adios.